When your Sceptre monitor displays a no signal message, it means the monitor isn't receiving a video signal from your computer or connected device. This is a common issue that has become more prevalent with remote work and gaming setups, particularly affecting Sceptre models released between 2020 and 2024. The problem can stem from three main sources: issues with your source device, like graphics card malfunctions or driver conflicts, cable problems such as damaged or incorrect cables, or the monitor itself with faulty input ports or internal failures. Here we can see examples of HDMI connectors and input ports that are commonly involved in signal transmission issues. Newer Sceptre monitors with multiple input types like HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C create more complex signal detection challenges. Additionally, Windows 11 compatibility issues can complicate the display detection process. Understanding key concepts helps with diagnosis. EDID is how your monitor communicates its supported resolutions and refresh rates to your computer. Hot plug detection is the automatic recognition that occurs when devices are connected or disconnected. To start troubleshooting, think systematically about the signal path. Ask yourself, is the source device working correctly? Is the cable in good condition and properly connected? Is the monitor functioning as expected? This methodical approach helps identify where the breakdown occurs. Understanding these fundamentals provides the foundation for effective troubleshooting. In the next section, we'll explore specific step-by-step solutions to resolve these no-signal issues. Let's start with basic troubleshooting steps that resolve 65% of no-signal issues. These simple checks should be your first line of defense. Step 1. Check all physical connections. Ensure your HDMI or DisplayPort cable is firmly seated in both the monitor and computer ports. Loose connections are surprisingly common. Step 2. Cycle through input sources. Use your monitor's input button to manually select the correct source. Most Sceptre monitors default to HDMI 1, but your device might be connected to a different port. Step 3. Test with a different cable. Cable issues account for 60% of all no-signal problems. Try a known working HDMI or DisplayPort cable to eliminate this common cause. If basic steps don't work, move to intermediate solutions. These address driver conflicts and display settings, resolving an additional 25% of cases. Update or roll back your graphics drivers. Driver conflicts cause 25% of no-signal issues. Access Device Manager, find your graphics adapter, and either update to the latest driver or roll back if recent updates caused problems. Adjust display settings. Check your computer's resolution and refresh rate settings. Sometimes the output resolution exceeds what your monitor can handle, causing signal rejection. Be aware of compatibility issues with USB-C adapters and multi-monitor setups. Power delivery conflicts and adapter incompatibilities are increasingly common in modern workspaces. For persistent issues, advanced troubleshooting may be necessary. These methods resolve the remaining 10% of cases, but require more technical expertise. Consider firmware updates for your monitor. Some Sceptre models have updatable firmware that can resolve compatibility issues with newer graphics cards and operating systems. Remember that issues are more likely to occur on Monday mornings due to remote work setups and after system updates. If all troubleshooting steps fail, only 8% of cases involve actual hardware failure requiring professional diagnosis.